Welcome back to Wild and Lovely Things. I am Shanice, and today we're going to be working on our entryway basically. So today is just prep. So I'm going to be staining the shelves for the shelving that will be going in the entryway to hold our shoes, our keys, whatever we may throw out there or throw on there. Got them from IKEA. They are from the IVAR collection. I have loved IVAR since I started going to IKEA. So it's been quite some time now. As you have probably seen already, I have multiple units throughout the house because they're just versatile. You can change it up whenever you like. In this situation, I can change the color. These are the original color pine, so I just want to make the color kind of go with the side units that are like a darker grade. Technically, they were stained dark walnut, but kind of look kind of grayish undertones. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with staining these shelves. First, you're gonna want all of your materials to stain the shelf. One, shelf. A stain. I am hoping this color looks good. You're gonna want some gloves. I also have a little mask just so I'm not breathing in the stain because it is oil-based. It's not the water-based one because they didn't have any, so whatever. So I have some rags that I'm gonna use to stain, and then sandpaper. I'm gonna sand it down just a little bit before we actually go into sanding. All right, like I was saying, these are the IVAR shelves from IKEA, and they were $7.50 a piece, so not too inexpensive, but if you take care of them, they'll last you for a long time. All right, so now we're going to stain. Got my gloves, rag, another rag to wipe back the stain after. It's a pretty color, that's for sure. Let's see if we like it. I got gun stock from Minwax. More of a reddish. A lot more red than I thought. Oopsie. Yeah, that's a lot more red. Let's go see. That is very, very red. Didn't want it that red. Camera's not as bad. All right, so I have this other stain. It's Arbor Coat by Benjamin Moore. It's a translucent teak. I got it a while back. Let's see if this one looks any better. So this is very red compared to like the picture. And like I was looking at the brochures and everything, and it didn't look as red as this. So I don't think that's gonna work. I don't really feel like going back to the store either. That's a lot better. Looks very dark, but yeah, this color is doing a lot better. So see the difference in color? It's a little warmer, but definitely not red. All right, so I'm not even entirely sure I like that color with it. I think it'll do fine. Seeing it, because before I used to just leave it this lighter color, just the pine. All right, so I finished the first coat of the stain. Not entirely sure that I'm going to do a second coat because it looks quite fine and I don't really want to get it darker. If anything, I kind of want it a little lighter, or I should say a little duller. So we'll see if I may do anything now or later on about that. But let me show you what they look like. So this is what they look like so far. They're a little more orangey, but I don't necessarily hate that. If you have any suggestions about that, please feel free to write it in the comments because I'm still learning, like at least with stain and stuff, like what to do and how to mix colors and stuff like that. So I'm learning. If you have any advice, please let me know down in the comments. Alright, so I'm gonna let those dry for the rest of the day, and tomorrow we'll come back and start putting them together inside the house and then decorate, make it pretty, and yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. I thought I was gonna be okay with the color, but it's just too orange. So I went back to the store and got a color wash. I'm hoping this might work. So we're gonna test it on the one that I did the two colors on and see how it looks. But I'm hoping to at least tone down the orange. I like the tone, I just don't like the orangey. So let's try that. I think it's gonna work. What do you think? I think it looks a lot better with the darker ebony here. Whatever. I have restained all the shelves in the Barnwood color wash. So just gonna wait for that to dry, and it looks like it should be fine, the color. So let's pray and hope that it comes out the right color when it's fully dry. If it is, then we will be getting started on actually putting together the shelves and decorating, making it all pretty in there. All right, so we're in the entryway, and this is where we're going to set up the shelves. I already have the side pieces here, and the shelves are on the ground, as well as crossbar that you attach to the back to keep it from not being wobbly. All right, so first things first is each shelf has the pegs in the back along inside the metal part. So next is going to be putting the shelves together. So I'm going to start with the top shelf and then do the bottom shelf so it at least stays stable. And then we can do the cross beam in the back and then just add the other shelves after that. Turn it around. for now, I think I'm going to do it like this. I still have one more shelf, so I may or may not use it. I'm going to start decorating, putting stuff on here, so we'll see if I actually need the other shelf. I kind of want this to be decor, but I also need to put my purse on here because I always have it randomly somewhere in the house. So it'd be nice to have all the stuff you need to leave the house. So let me go grab some stuff.